The parrot has the ability to mimic human sounds and environmental noises very accurately. They are social birds that enjoy interacting with humans and other animals, and they can live for 50 to 80 years in the right environment. Parrots are considered one of the most intelligent bird species, and they use both sound and body movements. The diet of parrots consists of various types of fruits, seeds, vegetables, and occasionally insects. Many types of parrots form lifelong pair bonds and can be found in forests and tropical grasslands.